At first I had problems with this, right? I was trying to get it to just stay up like this. The sun is in my way, y'all, right? And it kept falling, and I'm like, what is going on, right? So what I had to learn is you have to turn it. Okay, did y'all see how I turn it? I love this tool though, because it works so smooth and easily. So you just turn it kind of like around upside down so it stays in place. All right, so I'll show y'all again. And you know, it does go in different levels to this, right? But if you do it like this and it falls, if you have that problem, all you gotta do is just turn it, okay, upside down or the opposite way. All right, another issue that I had to figure out was, how can I do this? All right, so I had an issue with figuring out how to get this lever to bend. So I had to pull it up high enough, all right? And this goes pretty high, so y'all might not see. I'll have to show you guys on another video how high it goes, but you have to pull it up high enough until you actually see this piece. Okay, so I just pushed it down and you can't even see the piece that allows it to bend. All right, so if you get to this point and you're like, it won't bend, just pull it up high enough, okay? And then you'll see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a silver mechanism piece that actually causes it to bend. So let's push it down some so I can show you another feature. I do like that with your phone, that you can put your phone in this way so it can be vertical, but if you turn this piece here, this actually turns. Y'all see that? Okay, so that way you can turn it and, you know, do it vertical, or you can turn it this way and then put your phone in there, you know, horizontal. The thing is, what I had to learn on my own, y'all, is make sure that it's turned horizontal wise before you close it. Because if you don't, like I did, I had it like this, right, when I was testing it out, and then I was like, okay, boom. Then I was like, let's loosen it up. I'm gonna set it back down, put it back in its case, right? I put it back in this case. I was like, boom, boom, and then I was like, wait, why isn't it closing? All right, so if you have this issue where it's not closing, which I had, and that's why I made this video, so y'all can learn from me. All you gotta do, sorry about the sun, I didn't know it wanted to be the star today, okay? And just turn it, and then guess what? It'll close easily. So with this mechanism, it should open and close and pull up and down easily. You shouldn't have to force or do anything, all right? What else do I need to show y'all that I went through? So as you see, this is the open up, pull out. You do that, okay, and then you turn this to lock it in place. Okay, and then at first, when I first did it, I was having issues with pulling it up. I was pulling this silver piece, the base silver piece, and it wasn't doing anything. It's not doing anything now either. But then I was looking up videos, didn't see no damn videos about it. So I finally figured it out. So you're really pulling at the base of this, okay? So this is what you're really pushing, not this, the base, okay? And you pull that up. You pull that up, all right? And you keep pulling, all right? And then it has, and again, this goes really high. I'm gonna probably show that in another video.